It's nice that you're treating us to your booth today. We're at AAPEX, and there's so many people this year at the show. It's been fantastic. What are the overarching trends with refrigerants that you've been talking to people here at the show about?
No, that's a really good question. So in the refrigerant world, both globally and in the United States, refrigerant regulations are really driving a lot of change in our industry. And so from a global perspective, the Kigali Amendment is being ratified by many countries. The U.S. just recently ratified that as well. But also in the U.S., we have ratified and enacted the AIM Act. And that essentially gives the EPA the authority to phase down refrigerants like R134A, which is a predominant refrigerant, both in light duty and obviously in heavy duty space for comfort cooling among everyone in the industry. So we've really been talking about what that phase down is going to look like and what's going to be coming down the pike.